Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So the Ethereum chart continues to hold just below this red resistance line. We talked about it yesterday, and it's currently coming in around $4,600. So again, we're fighting with that 4,500 resistance cluster. It's not broken, right? I mentioned it yesterday with you. We talked about it in the video here, that the area around 4,500 doesn't mean exactly that level necessarily. It's more like an area. Can provide resistance. We also have that trend line, obviously, positioned in this area around 4,580. Yeah. So we continue to hold below this line for a decisive upside breakout. It's clear that this needs to be broken so that the market can rally towards 4,950 all-time high and then higher. That would be the plan, okay? It might be that we get this pullback first. So maybe a little higher, get that internal fifth wave that we're tracking on the smaller time frame, then a higher low, hit this trend line, speculative right now, yeah? We do some Sunday speculation. And then obviously we could go into the third wave higher there from this lower trend line. I mean, overall looking good. We're just below a trend line, and it's clearly relevant. But we hold support. Yeah, we're holding our Fibonacci support on the daily chart, so there's no sign of a major top at the moment. The pullback was nice and easy in a typical three-wave correction. That's what we expect in corrections, to be a three-wave move, which means it's a counter-trend move. Yeah, don't forget, three-wave movements to the downside are not indicating that the trend is down. They give us an idea that this is just a counter trend move. And as long as we're holding support, the overall trend is up. That does not rule out a broader correction like this. But it wouldn't change anything structurally because we're still holding support. The levels in this case are more important than the microstructures. I mean, the microstructures will give us a hint first if we're hitting support first or not. But yeah, for now, we're holding that support area. Let's also take a look at the short-term chart for ETH. And here you can see basically no change from yesterday. The market formed that one more high we were watching for, but the question is this now a five-wave move up? It can be. I'm just saying what would be ideal is this. 1, 2, 3. Still a broader 4 because we haven't even reached support. Do we need to reach support? No, but a healthy wave 4 is normally appreciated. A, B, C, and then a fifth wave. So I'm not prepared to call this yet the top of the fifth wave. We'll see if we do this and a nice three-wave move, we hit support and then get another attempt of a rally, then this is likely our fifth wave. That's how I would track this. We're now getting into the difficult phases. I mean, tracking and trading this was probably comparatively easy because it was the third wave. But whenever you're entering the phase of a 4-5, it's getting messy. So the clearest setup would be if we get a nice 4, then a 5. That would be wave 1. Maybe reach 4,950 resistance or 4,850. It's a bit of a zone up there, right? And then get the nice wave 2 pullback. I mean, this is what would be perfect. Now, it's sad that coins sometimes just don't follow the perfect patterns, okay? It's just probabilities. So, occasionally it might be that this fourth wave is a little shorter. This is the fifth. Bear in mind, we're on a small time frame here. And then this is 5 waves. And if we now get a deep pullback, this might already be our wave 2. So I'm staying definitely very, very close to this. But yeah, I would still prefer like a clearer 5. The thing is, we have this trend line that's coming in. And so because of that, I'm not sure if we get that fifth because it will be difficult for the bulls to actually drive the price above this trend line. But I'm definitely going to watch for it. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to check out our membership options. Today we've got our MCO live session. That's going to be at 5 p.m. UTC. We cover around 30 to 50 coins. Great opportunity to connect. And it's basically the live stream for you guys. And also follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I post a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.